Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can upgrade your ship for the Eye of the Storm quest in Starfield. I will be using the Razorleaf, but you can do this for most other ships. Let's get into it. So once you've accepted your quest, you need to talk to Jasmine, and you need to say, mind helping me with my ship. Then you need to click on, I'd like to view and modify my ships. Once we're here, make sure you have your home ship selected, so you can go to a ship, then press the H key, or click on the Make Home Ship button. I'll be sticking with my Razorleaf. After that, you want to click on B, or click on Ship Builder. And we'll be in our Ship Builder. Next, we're going to click on G, or the Add button. After that, we can use Q and T to scroll through the different tabs, or we can click on them until we hit the Equipment tab. There we are. We need one conduction grid and one Comspike. So, click on the conduction grid. You don't need to drag, and as you can see, it's going to move about and follow the mouse. So, move it towards this green circle you see here, and eventually it will snap into position. When you see it snap into position like this, just left click. And we've added our conduction grid. However, we also need to add on the Comspike. So we can click G again, or click on the Add button, and we need to now go to Comspike. But you might be thinking, Max, if we click on Comspike, there's nowhere for it to go, apart from underneath the ship, but that's going to give you a build error. Well, don't worry. You can do something. I want you to hold right click, and then drag your mouse. As you can see, the ship is basically symmetrical, and there's a slot where you can put your Comspike. So just move your Comspike to near this green circle. When you see a green version of it, just click, and we've added a Comspike, and we have added a conduction grid. And you can't place it onto here because that gives you an error message. I don't know why, but click on the tab button. Then it will ask you to confirm your modification, click accept or the enter key, and your ship is now ready to go and get Kryx's legacy. Thanks for watching this tutorial, I'll see you next time.